Hey y'all, it's your girl Skylar. I'm going to be posting a video to show you how to cook. If I can find it. How to cook, you ready? Macaroni and cheese. Oh yeah, macaroni and cheese. Well, first of all, I have a pan. I know it's kind of dirty. I'm going to be putting water in it. I'm going to put water in the pan. It don't matter what type of water you have. Okay, then I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to be bringing my brothers and sisters because I made pickles and I don't know what. I put pepper, water, pickle, and a scoop of plenty of hot sauce. And plenty of hot sauce. Cause they keep not messing with me this weekend, and cause I've been sick this whole week. And it has not been good. So I'm gonna teach them a lesson to stop messing with me. You do not repeat mess with me. Hey, Bobby's sick with shit. I haven't been sick for 4 days. Straight 4 days. But yeah. I think I vlogged. Have I made video? Oh, I made video today. To show you everything when I had my makeup bag. Yeah, I remember. I made these the pickles I used to prank on with. But I vlogged today. I'm waiting for the water bowl. But right now we're going to be talking. We're going to be talking about macaroni and cheese. Or right now I'm going to make it that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the macaroni and cheese. So you're supposed to open. So I'm going to open the box. It doesn't matter how many macaroni and cheese you use. Oh. Okay, that made it easier. But I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna take the packet out because you don't want to cook with the packaging. This is gross. That is totally nasty. Oh, y'all want to see like a basket? Trash can right there, little white thing. Missed. Let's try this again. Missed. Try this one more time. What? Y'all saw that? I made it. Try this. I probably missed. Okay, here we go. Lily and Grams, they are my favorite YouTube channels. I can't say it. Channels, whatever how to call it. Like, Grams, he is funny. Lily, she's beautiful.